Okay, welcome. In this video, let's look at the shift operation. First, let's assign a binary number into EAX. This is the 4 assigned to EAX. We are going to shift right one position. Now here is a 4, shift right. So this 0 is shift out. This one going to be assigned to flag. So we shift right. So right now it's 2. So every time when you shift one position, you are going to divide by 2. Since the binary number, you see 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, each position is the multiple of the 2. So when we shift into the right, it's divided by 2. If we shift 2 position to the left, then it's going to multiply 2 twice. Let's look at the example. So here we compile it. Okay, this is the base pointer and the stack pointer for the debug purpose. Let's move into our next line. Initially, here we had the 1. The default is EAX1. We are going to assign this number. The binary number right now is 4. So let's assign the 4 into EX. And then we are going to shift right one position. So after shift right one position, so this 0 is out of the registry and it's going to be 0, 1. So you see here, it's divided by 2. Shift left one position divided by 2. Let's shift back to left 2 position. After position at here, so moving left 2 position, so this 1 is going to be in the 4th position. So it's a 1, 2, 4, 8. It's going to be 8 to look at what's going on. After shift 2, you see here is going to be 8. So it's shift left one position, we multiply by 2. If shift 2 position, we multiply 2 again. So this is the way to calculate the multiple 2 and divide by 2. It's more faster than the multiple operation. Just use shift can calculate the multiple and divide it by 2. Let's reset this value to EX, the hex number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 to look at what is this number. This number is going to be a negative number here. And then we have this shift right SAR, that is arithmetic shift. So we are going to keep the sign. So if we shift right 16 position, you see EX is a 32-bit. If we shift 16, it's going to divide 2 16 times. Let's see the result. It's going to keep the sign 30875. Okay, and then we are going to use the arithmetic shift left one position. So right now it's a 30. So let's see the result. It's going to be 6, 1. So that is multiple 2. Also, we can see the flags. You see here the carry flag and parity flag, sign flag. Okay, let's stop at here. Thank you very much. See you next time.